Hey everyone, welcome to Algebra. Hey everyone, welcome to Algebra 1. This video's topic is going to be about precision in aggregate. Hey everyone, welcome to Algebra 1. This video's topic is going to be about precision and accuracy. So precision is the detail level in a measurement that is determined by the smallest unit or fraction of a unit. I'm going to highlight the or part because it's very important. Many times it will be an obvious smallest unit, but sometimes you're going to have to look at less than one whole unit or the fraction of a unit. Let me go ahead and put here that the smaller the unit of measurement, the more precise it is. And I'll put a little example. Let's say you have kilogram versus milligram. We know from learning in earlier math classes that kilo is a lot larger and milli is a lot smaller. So since milligram is smaller between the two, it's therefore going to be more precise. And let's go into some examples. So for the first example, we have 33.4 kilograms or 3,421 grams. First thing you do to try to solve is look at the units of measurements you have and compare. We have kilogram here, which is by itself kilograms. We don't know if it's smaller or larger than the other. But then we have gram, and compared to kilogram, gram is smaller. So then that's pretty much where we can answer the question of the two about their preciseness. This one on the right is more precise. For example number 2, we have 3.4 centimeters or 3.43 centimeters. Now in this case, we have centimeters compared to centimeters. That means that they're equal on that part. So we have to look at the numbers. We have 3.4 on the left side and 3.43 on the right side. Because, let me write this out. When you compare 0.4 and 0.43, that goes back to this part here. It says fraction of a unit. The detail level of a measurement that is determined by the smallest fraction. 0.4, 0.43, they're both fractions, but which one's smaller? So 0.4 represents 1/10 because it's the first one to the right of the decimal place, and 0.43 represents 1/100th of a unit. These are both fractions of a unit, but when you put in its decimal as another way to look at it, it's 0.1 or 0.01. The second one, 0.01, is the smaller fraction of the unit. So the fact that we have 0.43 compared to 0.4, this one represents the smallest fraction of a unit. So our answer here is going to be 3.43 centimeters. And then for the last example, we have 3 feet or inches, or 36 inches. So we have feet that we're going to look at and then compare it to inches. Which one's a smaller unit of measurement? Inches. And so that in itself makes it the more precise of the two. So our answer is going to be 36 inches. But precision does not always convey accuracy. So let's talk about accuracy. Accuracy is the closeness of a measured value is to the actual or true value. So I have here an example for visual purposes is 5 pounds of weight on a scale. And we have 2 options. So let me draw out a weight. The first one is 5.01 pounds. And then the second one that we're going to compare to see which one is the most accurate compared to the weight we need on the scale, 5.2 pounds. Which one is closer to 5? It's this one. For the second one, they want us to compare 5.2 pounds to 5.1 pounds. Let me draw in a little pleat. Of the two, we need to find out which one is the most accurate to 5 pounds. We have 5.2 and 5.1. 5.1 is closer to 5. So that's what makes that one accurate. More accurate because close to value of 5. So for accuracy problems, you have to look at both values that they give you and determine which is closer to the goal value. That's it for this video, guys. Please like it and subscribe to the channel if this helped you at all. And I will see you in the practice problem video that is linked in the description of this video.